Hey, welcome. How you doing? How you doing? So today, want to learn how to make this hair that you see of me in this picture right here. So, I actually achieved the coils you see with me right here in my previous video. So if you want to learn how to make this beautiful coils, yeah, you need to go watch my previous video. Yes, so this is the course. Actually used the Kaneka Lombre to achieve this course. I um crocheted it to well, I say crochet, I just did like somehow I put it on the line, I tied it somehow, and I box braid them, I twist them to a rollers, and then dip them in hot water. And yeah, that's how I got the coils. So if you want to get more information on how I achieved the coil, yeah, you need to check my previous video. Okay, so now I'm just trying to unravel the coil just so that I can attach each of these braids, each of these coils to the wig cap. And in this video I'm not going to be doing much of talking. I will just allow you watch the video and learn how to achieve the beautiful hair that you saw me not long ago. So yeah, keep watching. So yeah, just to add that when I crochet the extension to the wig cap, I actually took one part of the other end. I don't know if I'm making sense, but if you watch the video, you understand what I mean by one end. Okay, so when you crochet from the middle part, you will observe that you have two ends to the other side. You just take one of it into the needle, take it again like you're in form of tying it, just to make it firm to the cap. Yeah, so you don't have your cap, your extension falling from your head when you're walking on the road. Okay, if you observe, you will see me pinching the one end of the extension. That's actually the middle part of the extension. So when I pinch it, I'll just make sure I open it up, and so I can easily attach it to the wig cap. So, like so, yeah. Pardon me if you hear any form of noise. I have kids in the house. The pandemic, due to the pandemic, they go nowhere. They are stuck with me. Yeah, so we are in this together. Are you hungry? I'm coming. Okay, so I just had to divide the remaining space. So it was looking like it was taking longer time to fill up. So I just had to divide it somehow, so I can easily wrap it up. Yeah. You see? So see what I'm saying? If you know, you know. So I'm done right here. I'm just trying to trim off the edges so my extension doesn't get tangled. Getting it ready to be worn. Okay, so I'm done. I'm just trying to try it out. I so much love this hair because with it you can achieve different looks. You can decide to give it different parts depending on. I'm sure you'd have observed the kind of part that suits your face. As for me, I am a side parts person. I I prefer rocking a side part because it really brings my beauty. If you know, you know. That's it. Yeah. If you say you don't love this hair, then you are on a long thing. So, amidst all this, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you get more beautiful videos like this. You like it, you share it, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a brother, to tell a sister, to tell an auntie, to tell anybody that has ears to listen that Nelville is here. I am loving this hair. Like, I'm gonna make another hair like this for me, for myself, because this one right here is for a client who is so much ready to grab this hair and start slaying. Just trying different parts, just trying to give it different parts, different, so I can observe different looks, how the hair will look, different parts. Yeah. So, like I said, in all of this, do not forget your sister. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to share it to your friends, to your colleagues, and do not forget to practice. That's one beautiful part I would like you to do. Do not forget to practice. See you guys in my next video. I just can't wait to start showing you beautiful, beautiful kind of hairstyle you can do by yourself. Rock it, slay it, or do whatever you wish to do with it and save yourself money. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yeah. See you guys in my next video. Hola, like, subscribe, comment, and share.